To get to the bottom of.
What does this even mean? Oh, let me ask Teacher Nikki. Teacher Nikki, I was watching news and I came across a phrase called to get to the bottom of. And I don't understand. What does it mean? Can you please tell me?
Uh-oh, Mansi. Let me tell you what happened with me yesterday. It was a bright and sunny morning, and I was enjoying the view sitting on my swing. But I was shocked to hear loud noises. I rushed outside to see what's happening. I followed the noise and reached the park. And hey, the neighbors were fighting. I was restless. I had to know what happened. I had to get to the bottom of this. I called Mrs. Sharma, who was present there, but she said she has no clue. Then I called old Mr. Iyer, hoping to get to the bottom of this.
The same old parking issue. The watchman told me that there was only one spot left. The man driving that orange car overtook her and parked his car on the lady's parking. She was obviously angry because he damaged her car too.
Oh, now I understand. To get to the bottom of something means to discover the truth about a situation.
Absolutely correct, Mansi. To learn more such phrases and vocabulary in English, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.